Bajaj Maxima is not just an auto rickshaw, it's a symbol of strength, performance, and reliability in the world of three-wheelers. Designed for both passenger and cargo use, the Maxima series is one of the most trusted names in the market, especially in countries like India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and many African nations. When you look at the Maxima, the first thing that stands out is its solid and rugged design. Unlike traditional auto rickshaws that are mostly compact and built for light duty, the Bajaj Maxima has a strong body structure, a spacious interior, and a powerful engine that makes it suitable even for rough and demanding conditions. Under the hood, the Bajaj Maxima is powered by a reliable and fuel-efficient engine. Whether it's the Maxima C for cargo or the Maxima Z for passengers, both variants come equipped with high-torque engines that can easily handle heavy loads and steep roads. The diesel variant especially offers incredible mileage, which makes it a top choice for drivers who want to save on fuel and increase their earnings. Its engine is designed for longer life, with low maintenance needs and robust performance even after years of daily use. Another big advantage of the Bajaj Maxima is its strong suspension system. Many drivers complain about bumpy rides and wear and tear on other auto rickshaws, but the Maxima is different. It features a front hydraulic suspension and a strong rear suspension system, which provides excellent comfort not only to the driver but also to the passengers. This means even long rides become smooth and less tiring. It's ideal for city traffic, village roads, and even slightly off-road tracks. When it comes to comfort and space, the Maxima Z, which is the passenger variant, offers a wide seating area with comfortable cushioning. It can easily accommodate 3 to 4 passengers in the back, with ample legroom and headspace. The driver's seat is also ergonomically designed, with easy access to all controls and a good field of vision. The overall interior is simple but functional, focusing on practicality rather than luxury. Yet, for a three-wheeler, it delivers everything a driver could ask for in terms of convenience. For those looking at business use, the Maxima C is an excellent option. It comes with a large cargo box at the back that can carry heavy loads like gas cylinders, food supplies, construction material, or even agricultural produce. The cargo bed is designed to handle rough loads and provides enough space to make each trip worth the cost. Its high ground clearance helps in uneven terrain, and its turning radius is tight enough to move through crowded urban areas or narrow village lanes. One of the main reasons people choose Bajaj Maxima is the brand trust. Bajaj is a household name in South Asia, and their after-sales service network is very strong. Spare parts are easily available, mechanics are familiar with the engine and design, and maintenance costs are low. This gives peace of mind to drivers and owners who depend on their vehicle for daily income. It's also worth mentioning that Bajaj offers warranty and financing options, which makes it accessible even for new buyers. Fuel efficiency is a major factor in today's market. With rising fuel prices, drivers are looking for vehicles that give the maximum output at the lowest cost. Bajaj Maxima performs excellently in this area. Whether it's petrol, diesel, or CNG, each variant has been tuned for the best fuel economy. The CNG variant is especially popular in cities with green transport policies. It emits less pollution and is cheaper to run, making it ideal for urban transport. Safety features in the Bajaj Maxima are also a step ahead of the older auto rickshaws. It comes with a sturdy metal frame, reliable braking system, and better balance, which reduces the chances of tipping over. The design has been tested in various conditions, and it's built to last. Whether it's a hot summer day, rainy weather, or a dusty road, the Maxima keeps running smoothly without breaking down. The headlights are bright, indicators are reliable, and the electricals are simple and easy to repair. The resale value of the Bajaj Maxima is another important factor to consider. Many drivers eventually upgrade or change their vehicles, and with the Maxima, you don't have to worry about losing your investment. These autos hold their value well because of their durability and demand in the second-hand market. Even after years of use, if the vehicle has been maintained properly, it can fetch a good resale price. Drivers often talk about comfort, but they also care deeply about income. The Maxima helps increase income in 2 ways. First, it allows for more trips thanks to better mileage and faster performance. Second, it has low running costs, which means more of the money earned actually goes into the driver's pocket. Over time, this makes a huge difference in improving a driver's financial condition. In terms of design, Bajaj has kept things practical but has not ignored aesthetics completely. The Maxima looks bold and modern for a three-wheeler. Its wider body, New decals and smartly placed lights make it stand out on the road. It looks dependable, and that's exactly what it is. The vehicle gives off a sense of strength and utility, which appeals to both passengers and business owners. Many fleet owners prefer Bajaj Maxima for their transport operations. Whether it's a small logistics company or a food delivery service, these three-wheelers are easy to manage, cost-effective, and perform reliably. Their ability to carry goods or passengers quickly through congested roads makes them perfect for last-mile delivery. They're also being used in rural development projects, mobile vending services, and even in tourism for short-distance travel. Overall, the Bajaj Maxima is more than just a vehicle. It's a work partner, a source of livelihood, and a smart investment. With its powerful engine, sturdy design, excellent mileage, and trusted brand name, it's one of the best choices available today in the world of three-wheelers. For anyone looking to buy an auto rickshaw that delivers performance, comfort, and profitability, the Bajaj Maxima truly stands out.